Spira Team Online Training. What is Spira Team and how can it improve agile project management? Spira Team is an integrated application lifecycle management (ALM) platform designed to help teams manage requirements, test cases, releases, tasks, and issues all in one place. It is particularly useful for agile project management by providing real-time collaboration, traceability, and automation across the software development lifecycle. Key features of Spira Team: Agile project planning and tracking. Supports Scrum, Kanban, and hybrid agile methodologies. Sprint and release planning with interactive boards. Task and backlog management with prioritization. Requirements and test management. Link user stories, requirements, and test cases. End-to-end traceability across the development cycle. Automated and manual test execution. Issue and defect tracking. Integrated bug and issue tracking. Custom workflows for defect life cycle. Real-time reporting and dashboards. Collaboration and integration. Role-based access and permissions. Integration with tools like Jira, Azure DevOps, Git, Selenium, Jenkins, and more. Email notifications and comments for team collaboration. Real-time reporting and analytics. Custom dashboards and reports for progress tracking. Burn-down charts, velocity reports, and test execution reports. Risk management and quality assurance insights. How Spira Team improves agile project management. Enhances visibility and collaboration. Teams get a single source of truth for all project activities, ensuring seamless communication between developers, testers, and product owners. Improves traceability and compliance. Links between user stories, test cases, and defects help maintain compliance and ensure quality throughout development. Streamlines testing and QA. Automated test execution and defect tracking reduce manual effort, accelerating release cycles. Supports continuous delivery. Integration with DevOps pipelines allows automated deployment, testing, and monitoring for faster releases. How to set up and configure Spira Team for your organization? How to set up and configure Spira Team for your organization. Spira Team is an integrated application lifecycle management (ALM) tool that helps manage requirements, test cases, issues, and project tracking. Below is a step-by-step guide to setting up and configuring Spira Team for your organization. Step 1. Install Spira Team. Download Spira Team. Get the installer from the official Inflectra website. Ensure your system meets the requirements: Windows Server, SQL Server, IIS, and .NET Framework. Install prerequisites. Install Microsoft IIS for web hosting. Install SQL Server for database management. Ensure .NET Framework 4.7 or later is installed. Run the installer. Launch the Spira Team installer. Follow the wizard to configure IIS and the SQL database. Set up the admin account during installation. Step 2. Initial configuration. Log into Spira Team. Use the admin credentials set during installation. Access Spira Team via http://your-server-name/Spira Team. Configure system settings. Go to Administration System Settings. Setup. Email settings, SMTP server, notifications. Authentication settings, LDAP, SSO, or Spira login. Time zone and localization. Create user roles and permissions. Define roles such as administrator, developer, QA tester, project manager. Set permissions via administration users and roles. Add users. Manually add users or integrate with Active Directory, LDAP. Assign users to projects. How does Spira team support test management and QA processes? Spira team is an integrated application lifecycle management (ALM) solution that provides comprehensive support for test management and quality assurance (QA) processes. Here's how it supports various aspects of test management. 1. Test case management. Allows teams to create, organize, and manage test cases in a structured manner. Supports parameterized test cases to enable data-driven testing. Provides version control to track changes and maintain history. 2. Test execution and tracking. Supports manual and automated test execution. Enables testers to log test results, capture screenshots, and attach relevant files. Provides a test execution scheduler for automated tests. Allows linking of test cases to specific releases, builds, and requirements. 3. Defect and issue tracking. Integrated bug tracking system to log, assign, and track defects. Provides real-time traceability between test cases and reported defects. Supports custom workflows to match the defect management process. 4. Requirement traceability. Enables end-to-end traceability by linking requirements, test cases, and defects. Ensures test coverage by mapping test cases to specific requirements. Helps teams identify gaps in testing and ensure compliance. 5. Test automation integration. Integrates with various test automation tools such as Selenium, JUnit, Test Complete, and RunnerX. Supports continuous integration, CI/CD, tools like Jenkins and Azure DevOps. Automates test execution and reporting for faster feedback. 6. Reporting and analytics. Provides dashboards and customizable reports for test metrics. Generates real-time test coverage reports to monitor progress. Supports audit trails for compliance and process validation. 7. Agile and DevOps compatibility. Supports agile methodologies, Scrum, Kanban, with backlog and sprint management. Facilitates DevOps integration by working with CI/CD pipelines. Ensures collaboration between developers, testers, and stakeholders. 8. Collaboration and communication. Provides real-time updates and notifications for test case changes. Allows team members to comment on test cases and defects. What are the best practices for managing requirements in Spira team? Managing requirements effectively in Spira team ensures successful project execution, traceability, and collaboration. Here are the best practices for handling requirements in Spira team. 1. Structuring and organizing requirements. Use requirement folders. Organize requirements into folders based on modules, features, or categories. Use parent-child relationships. Break down high-level requirements into detailed sub-requirements for better traceability. Define priorities. Assign priority levels, example high, medium, low, to focus on critical requirements. 2. Establishing traceability. Link requirements to test cases. Ensure each requirement is associated with relevant test cases for validation. Map to user stories and defects. Maintain traceability by linking requirements to user stories, defects, and tasks. Use baselines. Capture requirement baselines at different project phases to track changes and avoid scope creep. 3. Collaboration and review process. Enable comments and discussions. Use the discussion feature to encourage collaboration among stakeholders. Version control. Keep track of changes in requirements and maintain version history for auditing. Approval workflow. Set up an approval process for reviewing and finalizing requirements before implementation. 4. Managing changes effectively. Use change requests. Log and manage requirement changes formally through change request workflows. Impact analysis. Assess the effect of changes on existing test cases, tasks, and defects. Maintain historical data. Use Spirateam's built-in history tracking to keep records of requirement modifications. 5. Requirement attributes and customization. Utilize custom fields. Extend requirement attributes to fit specific project needs. Assign owners and responsibilities. Clearly define who is responsible for each requirement. Use tags and labels. Enhance searchability and classification with custom tags. 6. Reporting and monitoring. Generate requirement coverage reports. Ensure all requirements are covered by test cases. Use dashboards for insights. Monitor real-time progress through Spirateam's dashboards. Track requirement completion. Measure requirement fulfillment against project milestones. How to track and manage defects efficiently in Spirateam. Tracking and managing defects efficiently in Spirateam can be done through the following steps. 1. Set up defect categories and priorities. Define defect categories, example UI, functional, performance, to classify defects. Set up priority levels to identify how critical each defect is, example low, medium, high, critical. This helps in categorizing and filtering defects based on their urgency. 2. Create defect records. Create detailed defect records, including the following information. Title, a short, clear description of the defect. Description, detailed explanation of the issue, steps to reproduce, expected versus actual behavior, and any supporting files screenshots. Severity, how much the defect impacts the application, critical, major, minor. Status, define the current status of the defect, example new, in progress, resolved, closed. Assign to the team member responsible for fixing the defect. Reported by, who reported the defect. 3. Use workflow for defect life cycle. Define and use a structured defect life cycle, example new assigned in progress resolved closed. This ensures that defects move smoothly from identification to resolution, and everyone is aware of their current status. 4. Automate defect assignment. Use auto-assignment rules based on criteria like severity or module. This can save time and ensure defects are assigned to the appropriate team member quickly. 5. Link defects to test cases. Link defects to the specific test cases that discovered them. This provides traceability and helps in understanding the context in which the defect was found. Helps in tracking defect density and identifying areas with recurring issues. 6. Prioritize defects. Use the priority field to focus on fixing critical defects first. Spira Team's filtering and reporting features help identify high-priority defects and focus efforts on the most important ones. 7. Track progress using dashboards and reports. Dashboards can be customized to track defect statistics like defect trends, open versus resolved defects, and defect distribution across severity levels. Use reports for in-depth analysis on defect density, mean time to resolution, and defect aging. 8. Use defect metrics for continuous improvement. Regularly review defect metrics to identify bottlenecks or areas where defects are concentrated. Example, frequent issues in specific modules or components. Implement corrective measures, such as enhancing test coverage or improving coding practices. What are the key reporting and dashboard features in Spira Team? Spira Team offers several key reporting and dashboard features designed to help teams track project progress, quality metrics, and overall performance. Some of the standout features include customizable dashboards. Users can create personalized dashboards with a variety of widgets and charts, such as pie charts, bar charts, and progress bars, to visualize key project metrics. Dashboards can be tailored to specific roles, providing relevant information for project managers, developers, QA testers, and stakeholders. Real-time reporting. Spira Team allows for real-time updates, which means that reports reflect the current status of the project and any changes made by team members. Reports can be generated at any time, providing an up-to-date view of the project's progress and issues. Pre-built reports. It offers several pre-built, out-of-the-box reports, such as defect reports, test case execution reports, and work item status reports. These reports provide insights into the project's overall health and can be used to monitor areas like defect trends, test execution status, and release progress. Custom reporting. Spira Team's custom reporting feature allows users to design their own reports based on specific criteria, such as custom filters or data fields. This feature is useful for teams needing detailed reports to track specific metrics, such as individual task progress, backlog items, or sprint velocity. Project health indicators. Dashboards and reports can feature project health indicators such as burn-down charts, risk assessments, and quality metrics. These indicators offer a quick visual snapshot of the project's status and help teams proactively manage risks or delays. Trend analysis. Spira Team provides tools to analyze trends over time, such as defect trends, test execution trends, and resource allocation trends. These trends help teams identify patterns and anticipate potential issues. Export options. Reports and dashboards can be exported in various formats, example Excel, PDF, HTML, for sharing with stakeholders or for offline analysis. This feature ensures that project insights are accessible outside of the Spira Team platform. Integration with third-party tools. Spira Team integrates with tools like Jira, Git, and CI/CD tools, enabling teams to aggregate data from various sources into comprehensive reports and dashboards. How to integrate Spira Team with other development and testing tools. Integrating Spira Team with other development and testing tools can enhance your workflow by ensuring seamless communication and data synchronization across platforms. Spira Team, a comprehensive application lifecycle management (ALM) tool, offers several ways to integrate with other tools. Here's how you can integrate Spira Team with other systems. 1. Using Spira Team's API. Spira Team provides a REST API that can be used to integrate it with other tools like Jira, Git, Jenkins, or test automation tools. By leveraging the API, you can create, update, and retrieve work items such as requirements, test cases, and defects. Sync data between Spira Team and external tools. Automate workflows for managing tasks and projects. Example integration. Jira integration. Sync issues between Spira Team and Jira by using Spira Team's REST API to create or update issues in both systems. GitHub integration. Link commits in GitHub to work items in Spira Team by using the API to automate commit references. 2. Using Spira Team plugins. Spira Team offers several out-of-the-box integrations with popular tools such as Jenkins. You can use the Spira Team plugin for Jenkins to automatically link test results from Jenkins to Spira Team. This helps you track the status of your builds and tests within the ALM tool. Selenium. Integrate automated tests from Selenium into Spira Team by sending test results via the API. Test Complete. Automate the process of linking test executions from Test Complete with Spira Team test cases. 3. Integration via third-party tools. There are also third-party tools such as Zapier or TIBCO Cloud integration that provide connectors for Spira Team. These tools can help you automate workflows between Spira Team and other platforms with little to no coding effort. 4. Using webhooks for real-time updates. You can configure webhooks in Spira Team to send real-time notifications or trigger actions in external systems when specific events occur, such as a test case status change, a defect being closed or updated, new requirements or tasks being created. Webhooks can integrate with tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or other notification systems. 5. Integrating with CI/CD tools, example Jenkins, TeamCity. If you're using continuous integration and deployment tools like Jenkins or TeamCity, you can integrate them with Spira Team for test results reporting. Automatically push the results of test executions to Spira Team. Build status updates. Link build statuses and logs to requirements, test cases, and defects in Spira Team. Triggering tests. Automatically run tests based on changes to requirements or other work items. Why choose ProExcellency for Spira Team online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Spira Team online training can offer several key benefits. Expert trainers. ProExcellency likely employs highly skilled trainers with in-depth knowledge of Spira Team, providing practical insights and real-world examples to enhance your learning. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training program is probably structured to cover all aspects of Spira Team, from basic functionalities to advanced features, ensuring a well-rounded understanding of the tool. Flexible online training. Being an online training provider, ProExcellency may offer flexibility in scheduling, allowing you to learn at your own pace and from any location. Hands-on experience. ProExcellency may offer interactive sessions with hands-on exercises, allowing you to practice directly in Spira Team, which helps reinforce learning. Industry-relevant skills. Their training might be tailored to meet the specific needs of professionals working in project management, testing, or software development, helping you stay ahead in your career. Certifications. ProExcellency might offer certifications upon completion, providing you with a recognized credential to showcase your expertise in Spira Team. Customer support. Access to ongoing support and resources during and after the training might be another advantage, helping you resolve issues as you apply your knowledge in the workplace. Thank you.